This is my first video and today we're going trout fishing in the snow. So here it is. There's a nice sized trout there. I don't know how big it is, I didn't bring my scales, but I'd say it's about a pound and a bit. It's the biggest trout I've ever caught here. Lovely fish. Yeah, it's great. Let's get him back in the water. He goes. Nice. So I've been fishing this area for maybe 20-25 minutes and I've only just gotten bites apart from that one trout. So I'm gonna move down the river, or up the river. Oh. Damn. Okay. Nice size. So I've been fishing now for maybe an hour and a bit and I had a big one on, well, big one, it was about a pound again and it came off. But other than that, I've just been having bites. I think it's just the cold weather. I'm not getting the results, but it's worth a try.